In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain name with GoDaddy step by step. Let's get started by heading to the GoDaddy website and signing into your account. From your dashboard, open the project you're working on and click Edit Website. This takes you into the site editor where you can connect a custom address. Look for the option labeled Get a Custom Domain and select it. This opens GoDaddy's domain search tool. In the search bar, type the name you want for your website. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. If your first choice isn't available, try simple variations, remove unnecessary words, or consider different endings like .com, .net, or a country or industry-specific extension. Avoid hyphens and numbers if you can, and double-check the spelling before you continue. GoDaddy will show you what's available along with current pricing. When you've found the domain that fits, click Add to Cart. You'll typically see a confirmation of the term length. 1 year is common, and you can adjust that if you prefer a longer registration to lock in the name. At this point, GoDaddy may show optional add-ons such as domain protection, business email, or other services. These are not required to complete your registration. Domain protection generally keeps your contact details private and helps prevent unauthorized changes, which can be helpful, but if you're keeping things simple or watching your budget, you can skip and continue. Proceed to checkout, review your cart to ensure the domain name and term are correct, and confirm whether auto renew is turned on so you don't accidentally lose the domain later. Enter your payment details and billing information carefully, making sure the address matches your card. When everything looks good, finalize the order. After purchase, check the email inbox associated with your GoDaddy account for a verification message. Open it and click the verification link to activate your domain. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder and request a new message if needed. Verification is important. Without it, your domain may not become fully active. Once verified, your new domain is registered and ready to use with your website project. It may take a short time for everything to reflect across the internet, so don't worry if changes aren't instant. And that's it. You've successfully registered a domain with GoDaddy, kept the process straightforward, and you're ready to move forward with your site.